All right, quick little trade review. Monday morning, 3 o'clock. Well, I guess that'd be Monday afternoon. Tesla up 49.50. A lot of people asking me what I saw in it today. Had it on the shakedown yesterday. Here's how I executed it. I was a little late. Actually, let's go late to setup first. Where are we at? So here's the shakedown from yesterday. You don't believe me? 15 hours ago. 1.7. All right, where are we going? M N P Q R S T. All right, Tesla. Tesla looking like you may be ready for a support buy with a move through the 50 simple moving average, and I'm watching for volume through the 317 area with tight stops below 112. That's the inside day Friday. So let's look at the setup. So here is Tesla. Let me fix the screen. All right, so here's this Tesla. Here's the daily chart. Now, here's what I was looking at. I was looking at this support level for a support buy. We don't need that. So I'm looking at this support. If we zoom out, this support held up here, and then it was resistance in this area. So if Tesla really wanted to break down, I mean, Tesla's been relatively weak for a little bit, had some bad news go against them. They looked like they were going to break down last Thursday, and they sharply reversed. Now, Tesla is known to decimate levels, and if it doesn't decimate the level, then it's likely reversing. There's a lot of name recognition that goes in this trade that I can't really explain, other than I'm much more comfortable putting on risk in Tesla because it's my best career name all time, and I really know how it trades. It's one of the only names that when it really breaks out, it just goes straight up because it one traps shorts, and it's just a great trading vehicle. So this inside day Friday, this is what I was looking at. This is really an inside day support buy, this. So I was looking at some volume through this. Its high is 317.24, and then 318.55 was the high of Thursday. So between that area, I want to see volume ripping that area, trapping the shorts, and getting a nice little momentum move to the upside. So let's see how I traded it. So I was actually late on this one. I was doing some other shit off the open. 9:38 and 42 seconds. You see me buy 100 shares at 318.91. Now in the newsletter, you said I wanted to buy at 317, and I was a little late. So someone called it out in the chat. I think it was Mike Higgins. I forget who did it. Shouts out to you though, because I would have taken my eye off it. So when something like this comes along with this Tesla, and I'm just typing it up 9:30. I probably typed it up at 9:38 and 36 seconds. I had 6 seconds to decide if I wanted to buy it or not because it's moving so fast. I don't have time to sit there and calculate the volume and let's do times 6 hours and what's the average going to be. No, I'm looking at this huge 5-minute volume. Here's the only bars that it's coming. These huge 5-minute volume, and I'm looking at Friday and how it's just so much more massive than that volume. So that gets me comfortable put on risk. About 1, 2, 300. And those 300 I'll give to a low day. I'm giving like $3, so that's $900. And then I sneak in 2 momentum buys. These 200 shares to get my position of $5. I'm just giving that like $1.50. That's just tape reading and momentum buying. And I mean, I'll gladly take that $300 loss on those 200 shares because so often it pays me when I'm right. So I get up to 500, and now my price is, look at this. My price is like $319.03, I believe it was. So you could say I'm starting to kick early, but I know I don't have my exact price that I want to, and I know this looks like a really quick kick, but this is $5, $317, $322. So you can see, I mean, I buy my last buy at 9:39, 10 seconds. 8 minutes later, I start taking some off. Only 50 shares. Taking it off for $3, for over $4. I take some more off. Sell 50 more for $6. Sell 50 more for $8, $8, $8. And now I'm chilling. That's what these sales are. And I'm like, all right. So now I have, what do I have? 300 shares left. So now, 250 shares left. So now I'm like, oh shit, I have my swing stock. I already kicked half my position. You see I'm long 150. And so it's getting silly though. And I'm looking on the daily chart. It's hitting these areas of these moving averages overhead. When a stock has a huge move and it looks like it's running out of gas and runs into a moving average that's overhead resistance, I'm usually taking some off there because I know it's likely going to stall out, and that's going to be it for the rest of the day. So that's when I start taking some off, right into those moving average. And now I have my swing stock, and now I have such a great price. What's my price? Average price $319.01 on Tesla. I already put myself in a great position. Realized P&L $25.69. So I've well more than paid for the trade, and now I'm set up, and I have great swing stock. And now, I mean, traders are going to be looking at this and they're going to be like, oh, let's buy Tesla now through this 340. But I have stock from 319, so I am very comfortable. So there's no reason that I can't. I mean, I can have a 380 price target or these highs, whatever it is. But I have the right price, and now I can swing it comfortably. But I also have that cushion where I booked $2,569, but I'm up total $5K in the trade. All right. So that's really the recap I wanted to give of what I like to trade. It was more of a support buy. It's something like Tesla. I want to be involved if I see that volume because of the name recognition, because how I know it trades. How look at this? Just goes straight up. What's it up? It's up $18 today. It's the change. It's up $18.25 today. So if that name sets up its support tight inside day, it's up $18 today, and it had a $5 day Friday of tight consolidation. So that's how I really know when I see Tesla having such a tight day at support and it's not breaking down at a huge support level. I know that they're going to trap the shorts likely, and they'll have that momentum move to the upside. All right? So I just wanted to get that message across. Good luck. Happy trading.